Hello everyone, are you practicing Kendo? Good, let's enjoy Kendo. Today, I'd like to study about how to strike Do. Let's learn about Kendo technique. Just today, I have received a message, and this is a Facebook message from my Kendo friend overseas. He said, "Dear Yoshida sensei, after trying your do strike technique from YouTube, I have some questions. May I ask you when you have time? My main question is about whether I need to have fumikomi on right foot when strikes the do. I have habit of doing fumikomi when strike do. But I see many players, they do not do fumikomi. I hope to organize a good way to teach the beginners here. I hope to learn how to teach beginners how to strike do. I also found beginners have difficulty to do Zanshin after striking do. Their difficulty is to pass the shinai or drawing the shinai out from the opponents after striking do." So this is a question from my friend overseas. Okay, let's study about it. He said, how to teach beginners how to strike do. In my personal opinion, I think the best and most reliable and most effective teaching method is the video, which is edited by All Japan Kendo Federation. The name is Training Method of Fundamental Kendo Techniques with Bokuto. Did you see this video? In this video, I think there is an answer for your question. How to teach. Let's see. In that video, as you know, the first main striking is like this. Kote. Do. This is a basic method. So in this case, player do not do fumikomi like that. Not like that. But the players move like this. Do. Do. Right? Okay. So in this video, nukido. 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 Like this. So one more thing. Kaeshido. 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 So this is the answer, I think. When you put on the protector and bogu, let's do the same way to strike do. When I passed the 7th dan examination, I hit 4 or 5 kaeshido during the 3 minutes, 1:30 and 1:30, so 3 minutes. Other time I hit in this way. The one is like this. Semekomi. I do seme. Seme mean, as you know, you just moving forward to the danger area of the opponents. So opponents want to do something. So I lure him in to hit my man. Then they then opponent hit me. So I do. Like that. One more time. As an application, I do strike do like this. Just semi, and the opponents come to hit my men. The basic movement is like this. Once more. Just move in. I do semi. Okay. To show the Zanshin, there is a two-way. The one is like this. Another one is like this. This thing. The first one is to, after hitting, just keep the shinai as this is and walk like that. Another one is after hitting, shinai move like this and come back. You understand? Sometimes I do fumikomi like this. Seme. This is also good. This is also good. If you do not fumikomi, it moves like this. This is also all right. Most often, I do like this to show the Zanshin. It's not good. Once more. After you hit, release, like this. You understand? It depends on the situation how to do. Like you should do fumikomi with the right foot, or without fumikomi, move like this. It depends on the situation. I think both is all right. And the most important thing for me, there's 2 points. One is how to move the left hand move. Left hand also move from here to here along this line, what we call Seichu Sen, the center line, center line. Move from here to here. When you hit the door, not like this. The hand do not cross over this line. Just move along, go up, go down along this center line. Okay? This is also the same when you do the kirikaeshi. Not like this. The left hand keep moving along this straight line. Do not cross. Don't do like that. Just do like this. When you hit the door, the same. Okay? Always the left hand is placed here just in front of belly button. Okay? When you hit the door, here. After you hitting, it comes here. All right? Okay? So in the real fighting, the opponents, the distance between opponents and me, this is important. If it is good enough, long enough, you can hit like this. But the opponent's shinai come here, so the opponent's body come across very close to me. So in this sense, I hit like this. See, the distance between here and here become very shorter, right? Like this. The place of the left hand is always here on this line, center line. Okay? This center line. Here. So most important is the orbit of the shinai should be 0 degree, 45 degree, 90 degree, not 90 degree. This is not good. Huh? But 45 degree. And hit the door. And you hit strongly here, and after hitting door, just release. Shinai go down. Yes, move forward. Like that. Like this. And then one more thing. I try to keep in mind that one of the secret method of traditional ancient Japanese martial art, what we call tatami, tatami komi. Tatami komi is folding paper like this. This is what we call tatami, tatami komi. Here, tatami komi, like this. You understand? This is very important. Here, not like this, but fold in here. Here. Like this. If I explain this with baseball, the baseball hitter move like this, not like that. Okay, the ancient Japanese martial art secret is like this. If you're swinging, just fold in here, fold in, and you hit the ball. Again, fold here, and hit. And after hit, just release. Like this. In the same way, I do a hitting kendo do like this. Just moving. If you do this, you can your body move from here to the forward automatically, very naturally. Very naturally, without thinking, the body moves. Like this. So you said the difficulty is to pass the shinai or drawing the shinai out from the opponent after striking. Good questions. You don't have to draw out a shinai after hitting do, as I explained like this. You hit, release. So why this is good? Because if you hit like this, the left hand is here and already left hand is not here. So it means you cannot continue to the next hitting. Takes time because the left hand have to move like this. But in my way, left hand is here, not far from the tsuka of shinai. It is almost in my hand. So straight away, again, I keep the basic posture, kamae, automatically. Yeah? So the left hand always near the tsuka here. Also, when he hits the do at this time, using the left hand to hit. You know, whether you do fumikomi or not. In this case, fumikomi is very, how to call that, small fumikomi like that. Okay, swing up, very small, not like that. Or without doing fumikomi, like this. You said you want to learn how to teach beginners how to strike do. So the answer is the that video edited by the All Japan Federation training method of fundamental kendo techniques with Bokuto. I think this is most really fundamental and essential. This is my personal opinion. I practice kendo more than 50 years. I'm already 66 years old. the time left for me is not so long. So I'd like to share my knowledge, my experience, and what I learned, what I was taught, and what I noticed. So far, those things are what I learned, what I noticed, what I'm doing to strike Do in Kendo practice. In order to pass the grading examination, downgrading examination, mostly how to call that? The style of hitting, which is the Shinsa-in, the judge of the down examination, is waiting for, is the style of those fundamental Kendo technique. Just do the same way, like hitting the door from here to here, not from here to here, not 90 degree, but 45 degree. And don't move the left hand outside of this center line. Not like that. Always move like that. Whenever you move, you keep the left hand on this line anyway. So the judge recognize that you are master of those most fundamental Kendo technique, and even when you put on bogu protector, you move in the same way. Okay. To pass a downgrade examination, hitting Do is one of the most difficult point, but the right answer is what I explained in this video. So the number one, the left hand is always keep on this line, and after you hit, the left hand is placed near the tsuka. And you don't have to pull out like this. Just keep the left hand in front of the belly button, and if you cannot go through because the opponent's body is here and you cannot go through, don't worry. After you hit, shinai move like this, because this shinai move from the 45 degree. So after hit, it go down automatically, right? Shoot. Then go through like this. Also, what I did when I passed the 7th downgrade examination, I hit it already almost four times hitting Do. I did hitting Do. The one of them is I show the Zanshin in this way. Just swing, hit, stop here, and this part of shinai is attached to the body. After hitting, attaches the body, I push the body and keep the shinai like this. I did this. This is also, it seems that judge recognize, okay, in my thinking. Well, these things are what I can explain to you so far. I hope this part of information become some hint for you. Yeah, this is really my personal opinion, my personal thinking, my personal way. The different sensei, the different masters say the different things, I think. In my case, I checked the YouTube because recently you can see a lot of video of Kendo, and you can see, very lucky that we can see the 8-dan senseis practicing Kendo. So I found some sensei, 8-dan sensei, shows a very, very nice way of hitting Do. one of the Eito-dan sensei fascinated me. This is what I showed today. This sensei, I don't remember his name, I forgot, but he is now in Hokkaido. His way of hitting do is what I showed you right now, like this. So his way of hitting do fascinated me. I was very, very fascinated by that. After that, I copy that, and I'm doing and practicing so that I can do the same way as he strike do. Well, so far, this is what I'm now thinking. I hope it can be some help to you. So, see you. Bye now. Bye for now.